से सुनिए। पूरे देश में आज रात 12 बजे से संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा है। हिंदुस्तान को बचाने के लिए आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है।
Not all heroes wear capes, and corona pandemic lockdown was the very first time we could experience this fact. Thousands of policemen, social workers were on streets distributing food, water, masks and pretty much everything they had. And that was the day I recalled what my parents imbibed in me since I crawled, that the sole meaning of life is to serve humanity. But what could I do for the betterment of this society by just sitting at my home with an excellent internet connectivity during this lockdown? And that's where all of this began. This is my story of how a pandemic outgrew a teacher in me. Let us begin. No sooner the lockdown had begun, we had memes and messages flooding the social media, and people were going insane. Either they would waste their time on Netflix or crib about the situation. One fine day, scrolling through the internet, I found an online course selling website. Undoubtedly, the courses were top notch and rated. However, the price was nowhere soothing an ordinary student. And that's what triggered me. I had a plan. One thing that I was good at was programming. And the latest change in the Indian education system incorporated programming as a basic subject in the curriculum. Definitely programming is the future, and that's how this boot camp emerged. Brochures and pamphlets were made and sailed all over the internet, and that's how I premiered my free Python programming boot camp, my very first professional teaching experience. Flyers were in the air and we had students enrolling in the boot camp. After 2 weeks of hunting, cold calling, bunch of disappointments and a lot of enthusiasm, I started my free 4-week Python programming journey. And here's a glimpse of the same.
Hello guys, I'm Aditya Shetty and I'm a third year electronics engineering student from Mumbai University.
Hi, I'm Rishabh Kala and I'm 18 years old.
Hello everyone, myself Ranjit Sani from Maharashtra.
Hello guys, I am Ronit Manjrekar, a student.
Hello, I am Karl Maskeranis, aspiring to be a computer engineer.
I was in search of learning computer languages, so I got this notification of Outgrowth X Live from my brother.
I wanted to learn programming and that's when I came across this Python bootcamp. It's been an amazing journey for me as I have learned everything from scratch and I can confidently say I'm thorough with all my concepts.
It was indeed a really wonderful experience, and the most wonderful part was it was free of cost. So, and that too without compromising the quality of the content delivered by him. All the lectures were top notch. Like it really feels like you are paying a lot of money for it, but really not. You're getting it for free from him. So that was the most beautiful thing. And the second part is that he literally is available for all kind of doubts, and that too 24/7. And he has also promised to be available for us after the boot camp also. So that's a really good thing.
So I've just completed my boot camp with Sir Sarvesh on Python 3. So Sarvesh sir explained us the basics of Python 3, its application in today's world. During the course, we understood the importance of Python, we cleared all our doubts and problems with Sir Sarvesh, and the course was fun and we enjoyed during this course. I would suggest you to take part in all courses done by Sir Sarvesh.
The reason I joined this program because it is widely used in quantitative finance, and this is something really new for me. Overall, this will help you in analyze and process huge data sets and financial data, and this will also help you in better decision making. Overall, you will also know about data types, functions and operators once you are into this program, and you will also get daily materials where you will be able to practice. You will also have your weekly test.
I truly learned Python from Outgrowth X Live. It helped me too much. It not only taught me Python but made me interested in learning computer languages, and I think you should also give it a try. You will fall in love with programming.
Overall, I would really want to thank you, Sarvesh, and the Outgrowth for organizing such an amazing boot camp. Thank you so much.
And apart from that, he really is very motivational. Like he motivates you in all kind of fields. Like whether you are from finance or you are in engineering, he's just an amazing guy. And we are really looking forward for more such programs by Outgrowth. Thank you.